Chadha Group chairman accuses two TMC MPs, among others, of extortion and blackmail in a letter to CBI. 3 accused arrested of scam brought to Kolkata. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee announces 500 crore relief fund for duped investors, promises to take action against anyone found guilty. JPC on 2G spectrum allocation to meet today. With 30-member committee almost equally divided, BJP might force a vote on the draft report giving clean chit to Prime Minister and Finance Minister. Defence Minister A.K. Antony says negotiations are in progress at various levels to resolve the incursion issue with China peacefully. Asserts government will take every step to protect the national integrity and security. Prime Minister calls for decentralization of power by empowering panchayats, says lot needs to be done to realize the dream of deepening democracy. CBI arrests 7 persons including security guard of MLA Raghuraj Pratap Singh in connection with the murder case of Kunda DSP Ziaul Haq. Accused allegedly incited the mob to kill the DSP. AICC Vice President Rahul Gandhi to hold talks with party MPs, office bearers and workers in Bhopal. Rahul visits Mohan Kheda and held meeting with party workers. Condition of 5-year-old Seoni rape victim is critical. Stopped responding to treatment, put on life support system. Bihar court grants 3-day transit remand of accused. Government extends date of e-filing of service tax return for the second half of 2012-13 to August 31st. The forms will be available by the end of July. Earlier, the date of submission was fixed at April 25th. And Jet Airways to sell 24% stake in Abu Dhabi's Etihad for rupees 2,000 crore. Aviation experts say Jet Etihad deal will bring down airfares. Over 147 people killed in a building collapse in suburban Dhaka in Bangladesh. 8-story commercial building housed around 300 shops. At least 99 people died in 2 days of clashes and attacks in Iraq. 26 security force personnel also killed in the protest. Protesters demand resignation of Prime Minister Nouri al-Maliki. 7 killed, scores injured as quake strikes Afghanistan. Tremors were also felt in Pakistan, Jammu Kashmir, Delhi and several areas of North India. Minaret of a landmark 12th century mosque in northern Syrian city of Aleppo destroyed, leaving the once soaring stone tower a pile of rubble and twisted metal scattered in the tiled courtyard. Landslide kills 14 in Ecuador, buried homes in tons of earth and debris in the town located in Esmeraldas province. And in neighbouring Pakistan, the court cancels Pervez Musharraf's bail in Benazir Bhutto's murder case. Musharraf is facing several serious criminal cases. In sports, Saina Nehwal enters the second round of women's singles in the India Open Super Series. Beat Tawfiq Hidayat of Indonesia. Kashyap bows out in the first round of the men's singles. And in IPL, Mumbai Indians beat Kolkata Knight Riders by 5 wickets in a thrilling contest. The Chennai Super Kings to take on Sunrisers Hyderabad at the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium at Chennai today. To spread awareness among the masses about malaria, every year 25th of April is observed as World Malaria Day. The theme of this year is Invest in Future, Defeat Malaria.